Select key brand and model to enter the key page. Press Decode button to enter decoding page. Check if the original standard key can work well. Choose position according to the key type. Fix the original key on key clamp. Please use stopper to guide the position. Press Decode button to start decoding. The byting number is displayed on the screen. Please use stopper to guide the position. Take away the original key and fix a side of new key blank. Then take away the stopper. Press Cut button. Choose cutting speed and position according to key type. Click Cut to start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp and new key. Take out the new key. Fix the B side. Please use a stopper to guide the position. Press Cut button to start cutting the second side. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp and new key. Take out the new key. Now, you can have a try if the new key works or not.